This week, we're going to use AI to make custom clothes for our MetaHuman.
Last week, we got a rough animation of our short film, but our characters are all naked and are in need of some fancy custom clothes. If you're new here, we're a two-person micro studio creating original films and shows.
If you're curious to see how this journey pans out, hit that subscribe button. We post every week about our progress, process, and all the new things that we learn.
Okay, so here's the plan.
First, we're going to try and use AI to create custom outfits for our main character, Benny.
Second, we're going to use those images and turn them into 3D objects. We did this last week for some props, and we have high hopes it'll work for clothes.
Third, we're going to try and use MetaTailor to fit those 3D clothes to our MetaHuman, all within a few days.
We've never done this workflow before, but we're excited to see if it works.
To begin this process, we looked at our script to see what Benny was wearing. It said white leather jacket, tattered jeans, and red shoes.
We then took this reference image and asked ChatGPT to create a photo of each piece of clothing on black.
We then dropped those photos into Hunyan to create 3D objects of each item, and it was incredible. We were blown away. The big problem was that the mesh is crazy dense, so it's not going to be good for 3D clothing at all.
A quick Google search later, we discovered this awesome AI retopology tool called Tripo3D. This allowed us to simplify the mesh in seconds.
We brought the retopoed 3D objects into Blender to prep them for 3D clothes. Now we could easily delete all the interior faces so that they'd be ready for animation.
We then took those models and loaded them into MetaTailor. It's an incredible tool that helps you create outfits for your 3D characters in a drag and drop interface. We'll put the link below if you want to try it out. It'll save you a ton of time.
So, is it possible to use AI to dress your MetaHumans? Absolutely.
It's really important to know that this workflow still requires you to know how to clean up your 3D objects. They're not perfect, and they still need to be retopoed and adjusted to make them usable.
Our next steps are to figure out how to do chaos cloth so that the clothes will move more realistically and look less rigid. But to get your MetaHumans dressed, this is definitely a quick and cost-effective workflow that 2 people can pull off.
So make sure you subscribe so that you can keep up with all the upcoming Unreal Engine and AI workflows to come. We're really excited to share how these tools can really speed up the filmmaking process.
Until then, watch this video next. You're going to love it. It's great. It's probably our best video ever.